Here we're verifying the identity again, so I would recommend starting with the more complicated side, just as before, and we're going to use several strategies for this. In this one, I see that we have a common term here of cosecant in both the first term and the second term on the left-hand side. So one of the strategies that we had was to factor, if we could. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to factor a cosecant of x out of the first term. That would leave me with 1. And when I factor it out of the second term, I would be left with a cosine squared of x. So since I have 1 minus cosine squared of x, that really reminds me of the Pythagorean identity of sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So I'm going to try to get that formatted so that I can make a substitution here. So I see that 1 minus cosine squared is equal to sine squared. So I'm going to go ahead and make that substitution here into that parenthesis that I have. So cosecant x times sine squared of x. Now we're almost there. I'm going to go ahead and make another substitution. Cosecant is equal to 1 over sine of x. So substitute that in, and then see that we have a canceling occurring. So one of the signs on top is going to cancel with one of the signs on the bottom. And we just get sine x, which is what we have in that right-hand side. So at that point, we're finished.